Hello learners, today in this video we are going to learn 8th standard science chapter number 15 sound. In the previous session we have learned about how sound is produced and its propagation through different medium. In this session we will be continuing with frequency of sound waves. Before we get started, let's take a look at the agenda. The module of this session is frequency of sound waves, where we will see definition of frequency of sound waves with its unit, followed by next module sound and music, where we will see sound waves of different frequencies produce different sound notes. In this session, we will get familiar with vocabulary words like frequency, hertz, sound notes and many more. Let's revise about cycle of compression and rarefaction in a sound waves. Rarefaction. A rarefaction is defined as the region in a longitudinal wave where the particles are apart from each other, and compression. A compression is defined as the region in a longitudinal wave where the particles are closest together. As shown in the above figure, one compression and one rarefaction together forms one cycle of the wave. Let's begin with our first module, frequency of sound waves. The total number of waves produced in 1 second is called the frequency of the wave, or the number of vibrations counted per second is called frequency. Here is a simple example. If 5 complete waves are produced in 1 second, then the frequency of the waves will be 5 Hz or 5 cycles per second. The frequency of sound waves is measured in Hz. Human being can normally hear sound with a frequency between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Sounds with frequency below 20 Hz are called infrasound. Let's begin with our next module, that is sound and music. To understand this module, first we will observe one small activity. To make Jal Tarang, we need things like set of glass, water and spoon. Jal Tarang is an ancient musical instrument. For that, take a set of 5 to 6 glasses and arrange them in a semicircular shape and fill them with water. Take a spoon and strike each glass and your instrument is ready, and enjoy the different music. Change the water level and observe the difference the sound creates. Here you can use cup, wooden thing or stainless steel pots, etc. From the above activity, it is clear that if the frequency of sound wave is changed, different sound is produced. Sound waves of different frequencies produce different sound notes. Note is defined as an occurrence of a pitch, or it can be defined as an information about pitch and also about the length of the sound. Tone is defined as the sound which is recognized by its regularity of vibration. A simple tone will have one frequency while a complex tone will have two or more simple tones known as overtones. Let's see about nature of sound. Sound can be characterized by its frequency, wavelength, and amplitude. Frequency of sound. The number of rarefactions and compressions that occur per unit time is known as the frequency of sound wave. The formula of the frequency of wave is given as frequency is equal to 1 upon T, where f is the frequency of sound wave and T is the time period. Wavelength of sound means the distance between the successive compression and rarefaction is known as the wavelength of sound wave. The wavelength of the sound formula is given as follows. Lambda is equal to V into F, where F is the frequency of the sound wave, V is the velocity of the sound wave, and lambda is wavelength of sound. This is because the sound produced by different sources have different characteristics. That is, the sound produced by different sources have different characteristics. For example, the sound produced by a guitar is different from the sound produced by a drum. So let's summarize what we have learned in this session. Pupils come to know that how high or low a sound seems to a listener, that is its pitch. Pitch in turn depends on the frequency of sound waves. High frequency sound waves produce high pitched sounds and low frequency sound waves produce low pitched sound. Infrasound has wave frequencies too low for human to hear. Ultrasound has wave frequency too high for human to hear. This is all for today's session. Thank you.